Hi everybody, I'm Alex Vidikov and this is the subject, the hero of today's video. Before, I have never thought seriously about taking videos with the smartphone cameras. Surely the videos looks good on a small screen of smartphone, but when you load them into computer, the quality basically falls apart, and even more so when you watch them on big screen TVs. But it seems lately smartphone cameras quality coming closer and closer to DSLR qualities. This is the first time I am taking serious look at the possibility of taking videos with the smartphone. And I will share with you guys my first impressions and my thoughts about this experience. What kind of challenges did I have, what is good about this and what is not so good. So if you're interested to find out, let's go! I have taken just casual videos using my old smartphone and I never took it serious, but after watched few YouTube videos about iPhone 11 Pro, I was curious to check it out myself. For my videos I'm using camcorders, DSLRs and lately Sony a7R III, and I'm pretty happy with the results. But of course I would be very happy to have small form factor camera that is capable of taking good quality video. And what could be smaller and more convenient than smartphone, right? Plus it's always with you. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone. I bought this iPhone with my money. The videos on YouTube I watched about iPhone 11 Pro, mostly scenery or vlogging type videos. But because I like to shoot videos of plants, birds and insects, and that is what I did for my first video test. Bumblebees are very good and challenging subjects to take video, plus it was very convenient to do my tests. I have these red shrimp bushes in my yard and a lot of bumblebees on them, so it was a good occasion. Taking videos of small subjects that moving fast is pretty challenging, but also a good way to check camera's capability like focusing, dynamic range, bit rates, slow motions and more. So here is my thoughts, but please keep in mind they may be very subjective because I use my smartphone mostly for calls, never played games, and most of the time I use pencil with my old Galaxy Note 5 for typing. So probably my first experience was harder than for some of you who is doing a lot or everything on a smartphone. I found it pretty uncomfortable to hold the phone when recording videos because cameras are placed in a corner and I practically had to hold phone in one hand, because holding phone with two hands without seeing fingers in the frame is difficult and does not help much. I feel if lenses were placed closer to the center of the phone, that would be a huge improvement to control cameras when taking videos and photos, in my opinion. What do you think, folks, about this idea? Also, if you like me, coming from camcorders, cameras world, it is very challenging to frame your picture when camera is somewhere in the corner. And plus, those lenses are really very tiny, and that makes it very difficult to keep fast-moving bumblebees up close in a frame, and even harder to get good frame composition. Probably a lot of what I'm saying can be improved by hours of practice and make taking of videos with smartphone more enjoyable. Also, there are some tools available to improve quality of videos. There is Filmic Pro application that may ease camera control challenges, and also Zoom Smooth 4 gimbal, supposed to take it to the next level. But I do not know how good are they without trying them first. I think all this is not so bad at all if you already used to take videos with smartphone and have mastered it. Maybe I'm just nitpicking, but I'm not giving up very tempting idea to have smartphone as my camera. In fact, I'm going to try Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus to see if I can get better result with this smartphone. The reason for this is a strange issue. I came across odd video files frame rates when recording on iPhone 11 Pro Max in high efficiency or HEVC format. to record 4K videos at 60 frames per second and HD videos at 240 frames per second. Video files in HEVC format coming out not as standard frame per second, but like you see here. These strange frame rates make it impossible to work with video files in Premiere Pro. But if you need to record 4K at 60 frames per second or HD at 200 FPS, HEVC format is the only option to do that. I really hope that Galaxy Note 10 Plus will not have this issue and I can record videos with small form factor camera. If you are interested to find out how Note 10 Plus will perform, hit that notification bell and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. I tried to solve it by transcoding video with Handbrake application, but it did not work out. It took crazy 9+ hours to transcode 58-second 4K video, and file came out corrupt anyway. I have found workaround way to edit this video with odd FPS, but it's very time consuming and I think picture quality could be better if files have had a standard FPS. What do you think, guys? Have you had same problem with HEVC files? Maybe you know how to fix this problem. I'll see you in next videos. Bye!